In the future that is coming up, how do you think design is going to evolve? Or do you foresee something which would be kind of a black swan event that's coming up? Maybe we're not going to use phones anymore. Maybe all of them would be in our wearables or something like that. How do you, any wild guesses, or something, how do you perceive that how design is evolving in the future, what we'll be doing in the coming 5 years?
Oops, sorry about that. Um, yeah, that's a great question. I think I'll talk in terms of design. I don't want to predict any black swan event at this point because the world is changing so fast, and to be really honest, nobody can predict it, predict the likely outcomes. If you have seen the progression of AI in the last few years and in recent times with generative AI coming into hands of all the not so tech people, as we would like to call them, um, everybody is using Gen AI today. Nobody would have imagined that a couple of years back. And
Exactly.
the technology or the concept on which not the concept, let's say, the technological framework on which Gen AI is based on, like the Gen AI tools like ChatGPT and Bard, is called Transformers, which came only in 2017. And in 5 years, here we are. So technology is evolving so fast that it's hard to predict that kind of event. But I can definitely say there is going to be a huge impact on how we work. And specifically